Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
The blockchains have overwhelmed the money scene and the monetary environment is packed with isolated individual smaller than normal tokens that have made the digital currency ecospace very divided. Subsequently, the whole usefulness of FTX token, FTT, depends on making itself genuinely extraordinary, beating the rationalist crypto scene. With an extraordinary spotlight on giving force to cryptographic forms of money, FTX has arisen as an original trade in the digital currency fragment. FTX token offers merchants a remarkable platform that rouses their devotion and offers power-stuffed highlights that are unbelievable in traditional digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and others. Before we start with FTX token cost expectation, how about we actually take a look at FTX token outline? FTX token, the corporate social responsibility. The non-profit arm of FTX token backings guideline and consistence as the standards to be executed in the whole environment of FTX token. Being a key role player, FTX Foundation has teamed up with associations across the world to tackle the capability of moderate innovation. The administration structure is comprehensive and catch-safe. The main individuals from Interpersonal Interaction for Noble Cause incorporate the Human League, the OpenAI, the GiveWell groundwork, and altruism. FTX token has made it a leader in cutting-edge arrangements. This cutting-edge innovation has become fruitful in breaking liberated from the traditional philosophies of exchange on the lookout. FTX token's local cash FTT that is exchanged on different trades by a huge number of clients overall is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of venture commendable monetary forms. The latency that at first played for the FTX token is no more there as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers as well as brokers. Throughout the course of recent months, the cost of FTX token has shown a huge cost increment. During the last month, the FTX token has enlisted an unsurpassed high at $63.08. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the FTX cost confronted a sharp dive, and at present, it exchanges around $34. A regularly and definitely noticed characteristic of FTX token cost in the digital money market is that it has shown the most sporadic and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear nailing down development. As a gullible contestant, this crypto resource is yet to get forward movement of financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its inborn potential. FTX token price prediction, market sentiment. Presently, the cost of FTX token stands at $40.69 with a market cap of $5,627,206,535.41 and a 24 hours exchanging volume of $126,810,407.40. The flowing stock of FTX tokens in the market is 137,695,377 FTT. Despite the fact that it is a late contestant on the lookout, it has a crypto resource terminology. The cost figure specialists are very hopeful. Based on our conjecture framework, a drawn-out increment is normal. The FTX token cost visualization for 2026 is $213.229. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 423.75%. Independent of its reception according to specialized examination, the FTX token cost confronted heat till Jan 2022. Going by cost forecasts that bulls might be back, FTX token cost ought to wind up marginally higher, say by 2024, $71.80, best case scenario. The cost of FTX token is by all accounts showing positive condition. It might offer significant revisitations of its financial backers by stretching around $57.32 toward the finish of 2022. Because of our forecasts, it is the best opportunity to purchase FTX token at the most minimal cost. In view of our cost estimate, the FTX token has a promising future with a strong market cap. It might get barely affected, yet bulls will be back, and throughout the following 5 years, the cost of FTT tokens might skyrocket to $811.018. According to the most recent news and cost gauge, the coin could arrive at the most exorbitant cost of $52.37 and by 2023 going up to $64.88, showing an incredible worth. A profound infiltration into the raw numbers of FTX token, FTT, has a through-and-through various story to uncover. Regardless of having huge future potential and commitments of hopeful exchanging, the token has a great deal of motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size opposite its rivals. As indicated by our crypto figures, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. A ton of patching up is required by the designers to show greater spreeness in rolling out revolutionary improvements to the essentials of the task. This could assist with pushing the cost to the pinnacle. However, FTX token didn't beat during the last year. The greater part of the contenders of FTX token, FTT, also didn't hypnotize the dealers by the same token. Just to be fair with hopeful evangelists, assuming we consider that FTX token cost will arrive at the moon by 70% in the year 2021, and furthermore keeping the early elements of FTX token being not difficult to store and mechanical progression of conveyed web utilization for versatility and capacity, this could drive FTX token flexibility rate and increment its cost to around $60 toward the finish of 2021. FTX token price prediction 2022. Keeping up there with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that FTX token, FTT, is ready for a rise even in the following year, for example 2022, with enough volume and supply. Keeping in context the series of successive pinnacles and box, the cost for FTT just keeps on showing a positive pattern among the retreating pandemic situation, contacting the $57.32 mark. FTX token price prediction 2023. Regardless of whether finding rivals clears a way for FTX token, FTT, speculation's a piece troublesome. It would cause a misfortune, however just small, dropping to $62.21 on the cost graph. Be that as it may, this stays as a skeptical situation and a few specialists don't anticipate this disorder for venture guidance. FTX token price prediction 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by anticipated that FTX token, FTT, will control the crypto graph with a presentation of cost fixed at $78.46. This is a practically identical development proportion that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows FTT can possibly support itself in the market of advanced research.